Good evening, Star Citizens and CIG. Here is a video of AC 1.3 with the Gladius. Just doing the strafing left-right test, and here we go. So we're going to strafe right. Clearly it works. Let's see if we can strafe left. Again, we're strafing left just fine. Let's do right again. And left. So again, I'm using the X55 Rhino with CH Pro pedals to do my strafing left and right, and up and down. So the pedals are working. I double checked that in CH Pro Flight Manager. The pedals are working fine. It's just something about that P2 build. I don't know if that me having to quit out of it because the launcher practically stalled. If somehow that screwed it all up. But yeah, I guess right now it seems like that's what it's causing it, or there's some other unknown bug. So, thanks for watching.